So I wanted to show something I tried in the Codex for elevation and stuff. This is a map by Dr. Mapzo. Makes some pretty good maps. And I elevated it, but I did something a little strange in this because it's kind of a canyon, and you don't want this character to be able to look up here, or up here, or up here, but you want someone in this area here to be able to look over to this side and like over here and vice versa. So if you use a one-way wall, it will block vision of this area from everywhere, even if they're in an equally high area or higher. So instead of that, I have this broken up into multiple floors, and you can see here if I turn some of these off, I have different floors here that actually show different parts of this. And I'm using the elevation tools so that you can still see there is some parallax on the walls here, and then there is a point at which this becomes the next floor up. And in addition to this, I have a black area here only because the director can normally see through floors a bit, and it's a little distracting seeing this tree lower down as kind of like a weird ghost. That's why I in a image editor I cut this up and made this black. And then you have to stop the character from seeing that black, so there's a wall here too. So if I go to the wall layer, look at my walls. Why am I not seeing them? Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong floor, right? So I have a wall here, kind of messy. I did this kind of quick. Wall here, but that's only on this level. So when you go up to the next level, there's no longer a wall there. And ideally, I would put a wall here as well, but I haven't done that yet because this area here is a little bit higher, right? And so because of that, because I did this, cut it up, did the elevations, put these on separate floors, and put in walls, if I click on this character and hit V, I can't see up here, right? Now there's a downside to this because there's not a way to have this character go up to the next level easily. You can use teleporters, you can use stairs, but obviously for this case where there's a very long barrier here, it doesn't really work. I posted something on the Discord saying, hey, maybe it would be cool if you could have a floor divider kind of thing where you can move up and down based on crossing over that wall object. But so if I want a player to go up here, they basically hit a wall, at which point they can't go up anymore. And for some reason it's letting me drag beyond it, which I feel like it shouldn't. If I go up here, then like as a director, I would go up to this level, select this character, and then just teleport them up to the next level. And you can see here that it's going up. The +1 floor means that they're now going to be up here. And so if I go to the player vision again now, as you can see I have player vision up, but they can see across this gorge now. Right, they can see over here, they can see over here. So that's pretty cool. It just takes a little bit of work during turns for like the director to teleport their character up to the next level. It's a little bit more extra work than you know just setting up a normal map, but it can kind of give a cool effect when a person comes up to that area. And of course, if I was thinking about this, if they're let's teleport them down one. If they're like here, if I go to player vision, they normally wouldn't be able to see up here, but you might, as a director, say, you're close enough to the top, you'd be able to look around and figure out where you want to go from here. Well, then the player can just click the look up button and see what's up there. So it's something you might want to try. Maybe it's worth setting up, maybe it's not.